Yes, good morning class 4. Welcome to online class and we will start today chapter number 9 halves and quarters. Chapter number 9 halves and quarters. So everyone take out the Math Magic book page number 94. Math Magic book page number 94. Quickly open it. Chapter number 9 halves and quarters. I will read the chapter, you will just see and you will just go through it. Okay. Mintu cat and Motu cat were friends. Once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. I will take it, said Mintu. No, I will take it, said Motu. While they were quarreling, there came T2 monkey. Hi, what is the problem? Why you are quarreling? He asked. We don't know how to divide this chapati between us. The cat said, Okay, don't worry. I will divide the chapati equally for both of you, he said. Clever T2 divided the chapati like this. See, this chapter, halves and quarters, it is related to fraction. Okay, and the chapter is starting with a story. Now, in the story, it is given that there were two cats. One is Mintu and one is Motu. One day, they have stolen a chapati from Malini's kitchen, and after that stealing they were just fighting among themselves that who will eat the chapati. Both the cats, they were saying that I will take it. Okay, and in the meanwhile there came a monkey, clever monkey whose name was T2. Now T2, he asked them that what is happening, why you are fighting among yourselves. So the two cats, they have narrated the story to monkey that we have stolen a chapati, now we are not able to eat it because we both of us want to eat the same chapati. So the monkey told, okay, no problem, I will solve this. So how he has solved? Look to the picture. He has divided the chapati into two halves. To the picture you see. He has divided the chapati into two halves. Now what happened? Look, you can see from the picture, one is big and one portion is small, isn't it? So is it equally divided? The chapati is equally divided? No, because you can see in the picture, one is more and one is less, isn't it? Now see what they are doing after that. These are not equal. The left part is bigger, Mintu and Motu said. Now the cats, they were just seeing that one half is small and the other half is big, isn't it? So they have told to monkey that one is more and one is less. So what the monkey has done, see, oh, no problem, I will make it equal, T2 said. He then cut a part of the left piece and ate it. Now for dividing it, what he has done, he has just cut one part and he has eaten the to divide the chapati into equal halves. He has just cut a portion from the bigger one and he ate it himself. Now what happened? See, now is it equal? Now look to the picture again. Now he is saying, now is it equal? Oh, now the right part is bigger. Now they are saying the right part, that is bigger. The cats cried. I am sorry, said T2. He cut a part from the bigger piece and ate it. Now the same thing he has done. Again from the right part he has cut and he has eaten. He has eaten it. Okay. When there was only a small piece remaining, he said, this is my share for the work. T2 then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. Now after doing this, that one is bigger, one is small, he is just tearing and eating the chapati. Again the cats are there saying that this right portion is bigger, once they are saying the left portion is bigger. So this way the monkey, he has just divided and he was eating the chapatis, and at the last there was only a small portion left for the chapati. Now the clever monkey, what he told, that this portion is mine. Why? Because I have done the work for you. This was the saying from monkey's side, that because I have done the sharing, the division for you, that's why this is my share. So he has eaten the monkey the monkey has eaten the chapati and quickly climbed the tree so that the cat would not be able to say anything to the monkey. Okay, so this was a story about the monkey and the two cats. The monkey, he was so clever and he has done this type of not clever, he was very cunning also. That's why he has done this type of thing and he has eaten the whole chapati. Okay, so this was the story that tells you about the division of a single part. That means a whole thing, how you will divide it. Clear? So now come to the next page, page number 95. Come to the next page, page number 95. See, half, half. Now half, half. If the cats asked you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide it? Now it is told that if you have been told to divide the chapati, then how will you will divide? If you do not cheat like T2, the cats will have this parts, isn't it? If the clever or the cunning monkey T2 has not cheated them, then the parts of the chapati will be like this, isn't it? A whole chapati, a circle chapati, it is divided equally into two halves, isn't it? It is divided into two halves. One half is for Mintu and one half is for Motu, isn't it? That means, suppose this is a whole chalk. Okay, this one is a whole chalk. When I am dividing it from the middle, this one. Wait a minute, I have not divided it equally. Yes, this one. I have divided it equally. So that means that this two chalks is equally divided, isn't it? When it was one, when it was whole like this, and when I have divided it is divided into two parts. That means one whole part I have divided into two equal parts. Clear? So this way, suppose this is the circle. When I am dividing the circle from the middle, this is one half and this is one half. I have divided a whole thing into two parts. A whole thing I have divided into two parts. Clear? So this is called half half. This is half, this is half. And in figures we are writing 1 by 2. That means out of two parts I am taking one part for Mintu and one part for Motu. Clear? Now come to the next topic. Next topic is half of half. Now we will read half, again it's half. Okay, see, if two more cats come for food, how will you divide it? One chapati equally for 4 cats. Now if there are 4 cats, how you will divide this one chapati between these 4 cats? See what they have done. Each of us got a quarter of the chapati. You are a good divider. Now the Mintu is saying that each of us, means the whole, among the 4 cats, each will get quarter. That is 1 by 4, or that is half of half. Quarter. Quarter means half of half. This is one half. Again I have divided this half. So this is 1 quarter, this is 1 quarter and 1 quarter, which means 1 by 4. That means one part out of 4 parts. One cat will get this out of 4 parts only one part. Okay, out of 4 parts only one part the one cat will get if there are 4 cats. Okay, so this is the division. Look to the picture. This is the way they are dividing. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Yes, half plus half is equals to 1 also. This much, when you are taking this 2 halves, it is 1. Okay. Now come to the next one. Half of many pieces. Suppose there are many pieces. How you will do the half one? See, Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend Reena. Now Rani, she has a chocolate bar and she has divided that chocolate bar equally with her friend Reena. Look to the picture. Circle the portion that Reena got. You have to circle the portion that Reena has got. There are, suppose this is the chocolate bar, and there are total 6 pieces, isn't it? There are total 6 pieces. So you have to divide these 6 pieces into half. So what you will do? Either the upper 3 or the lower 3, isn't it? Suppose I am taking the upper part. So this is the half portion which Reena will get, and the below half that Rani will get. Okay, half Reena will get and half Rani will get. So just circle it. Circle in the book, because it is told to circle the portion that Reena will get. Okay, so just circle it. Circle. Then turn the page. Come to page number 96. Turn the page and come to page number 96. Now the question is, how many pieces of chocolate are there? Now tell me how many total pieces of chocolate are there. The bar is of how many pieces? The chocolate bar is of how many pieces? Quickly write in the chat box. Exactly. It is 6 pieces. So answer you will write that there are 6. Here I am writing. This is answer number 2. You will write that there are 6 pieces of chocolate. Okay. There are 6 pieces of chocolate. Written? Yes. Total there are 6 pieces, and 3 for Reena and 3 pieces for Rani. Now the next question, how many pieces were left with Rani? So when it is equally divided, how many pieces were left? Yes, exactly, it is 3 pieces. So you write it down, 3 pieces were left with Rani. 3 pieces were left with Rani. This you write in the book, okay? Everyone write it in the book. So 3 pieces were left with Rani. Now come to the next one. Half a chocolate is as tasty as a whole chocolate. Now Rani, she is saying exactly the half chocolate, it has the same taste as a whole chocolate. Okay. And she is very happy that her friend has divided equally and give to her, isn't it? We also feel very happy and very excited when this type of chocolates is being given by our friend, isn't it? Yes. Now come to the next topic. Many shapes from a half sheet. Now you have to draw many shapes from a half sheet. Just see. Take a piece of paper, cut the sheet into 2 equal triangles so that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. This is the activity. You have to take a piece of paper, then cut it into 2 equal triangles. Just fold it, you will get 2 equal triangles, and each triangle is equal to half of the sheet, and the triangles, it is equal to the half of the sheet. Now shade the 2 triangles with different colors. Draw different shapes using these triangles. One such shape is shown here. Now using that 2 triangles, you have to make different shapes. Clear? Here one shape is given to you. Here one shape is given to you. The 2 triangles, one is red color and one is green color. This one is a shape. You have to make some more shapes like this with the help of the 2 triangles. Can you make it? Then make it and send in the chat box. Can you draw it? Not make, it will be draw. If you can draw, then draw it and send in the chat box. The 2 triangles. See, one will be like this, isn't it? I am drawing freehand, that's why it is looking like this. You will use the pencil and scale to draw, and you will draw it in the book. I am taking the 2 triangles like this. So this has formed a shape, isn't it? Then suppose the 2 triangles, they are like this. Then sorry, this is a triangle. So somewhat like this. One can be like this. Okay, so this way you will draw the two triangles so that it will form like, it will make different shapes. Okay, some I have given the example, you can draw of your own also. You can draw of your own also. Yes, you have to color it. Draw it in the book and you will color it at home. Okay, means as homework you will color it. Draw it in the book and in homework you will color it. Okay, some more you can draw of your own. It is not mandatory that this only you have to draw. You can make your own shapes with the two triangles, with the two equal triangles, and you can draw it in the book. Now come to the next topic. Next topic is many ways to cut into half. Many ways to cut into half. I have made a rectangle into two equal parts like this. Each part is half. We write it as 1 by 2. It means one part out of 2. You can check it if these parts are equal. Try keeping one on top of the other. See, the boy, he has divided the rectangle into equal halves. You can look to the picture. The picture is showing that he has divided the one rectangle he has divided into equal halves. Okay, and how he is checking that whether they are equal or not? He has just folded, and if the one shape is overlapping on the other shape, that means both are equal. Okay, so this way he has checked that the two portions, they are equal. Clear? So this is by cutting and then by seeing that whether the two are equal or not. Now come to the next page, that is page number 97. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into half? In how many different ways you can cut a rectangle into half? Draw 5 different ways. Here 5 rectangles are given. You have to divide it into equal halves. You have to divide it into equal halves. So quickly divide it. Quickly divide it. Here 5 rectangles are given. You have to divide all the 5 rectangles into half. How you will divide? You have to divide it. See, the first rectangle is given like this, isn't it? So you divide it vertically. See, I am not using the scale, that's why my lines are not straight. You kindly use the scale. Okay, and divide it into half. Next one is somewhat like this. Now divide it horizontally. Once you divide vertically, once you divide horizontally, then once you divide diagonally. This way, this is one diagonally. Now the next division, the other diagonal. Divide it with the other one. With the help of pencil and scale you do it. The last one, 4 and 5. The last one you divide it like this way. Okay, divide it like this way. Even you can divide as the boy has divided. Even you can divide like that way also, as the boy has divided. As the boy has divided, you can divide it like that way also. Okay. So these are the 5 different ways of division of a rectangle into equal halves. Into equal halves. The next question is, can you check if they are equal? Can you check if they are equal? Yes, we can check it. How? By folding. If the one portion is overlapping on the other portion, that means they are equally divided. Okay, suppose this one, when you will just fold it from here between, this portion will overlap on this. That means these two are equally divided. The same thing you will do it for this also. You will just fold it in the horizontal way. And if the two portions, they are equally and overlapping on each other, that means they are equal. Okay, so like this way you can check that the rectangles are divided equally or not. Okay, Okay students, today up to this only. Whatever we have done in the book, once more you will do it in your copy, especially the division of the rectangles and the triangles with different drawings or different shapes what you have made with the help of the two triangles. Okay, this question and this division of rectangle into equal halves, these two questions must be present in your copy, and the rest of the things whatever we have done in the book, that also you try to do it in your copy. Okay, so students, bye all of you for today, and just practice whatever we have done today, because everything is related to the fraction. Okay, bye all of you.